What's Mummy gonna do?
One more time.
What? Oh, what's Mummy doing now? Oh, Pingu!
What? No.
You
Okay.
want a kiss and a cuddle? Why don't you do what Mummy did? We're together.
Yeah.
You do it. You
No,
show you.
yeah.
You do it. Go do with Abigail and Lily together.
You do it. Mummy do
That's it. Do it slowly. That's it. One more time and then we're finished.
Now we're going to give each other a kiss.
Daddy can film this all night.